good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Hello to the whole globe, worldwide, international. Thank you, God.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone around the world who's tuning in live right here for Moguling Club, where we present Moguling Talk. Today, our topic is Credit Builder Loans that Increase Your Credit Score, presented by MoglingFinance.com. At this time, we're going to have Mr. Carlo Joseph introduce himself, and I'll come back and introduce myself.
Good day, good evening, good morning. That's how they talk on some of the shows. I was gonna say brought to you, but brought to you by Autumn Water, and I heard Mikkel say Autumn Vodka, and I'm brought to you by MCS Live, brought to you by MCS Television, and also brought to you by Clear Vision. Again, my name is Carlo Joseph. I am with Clear Vision, Clear Path, Inc. Our company specializes in providing funding for business owners and entrepreneurs, and also providing funding in the entertainment production space, entertainment and entertainment technology. So we provide funding for the creative part, the production, where we provide funding for the prints and advertising, which is P&A or marketing and advertising, and we provide funding needed for the sales and distribution of the entertainment content, or the distribution and the sales of the entertainment content. So with that being said, we've decided to be focused on companies that have a great vision and a great team, and align ourselves and partner and unify ourselves. So we want to use the money to bring addition and multiplication to these ventures. And so our strategy with entertainment is joint entertainment funding for the production is joint venture funding. So that's one of our strategies. And also with the business owners and entrepreneurs, our funding dollar amounts range from $1 million to $2 billion or more. And we have a model that requires, depending on the amount you need, an upfront fee to the business owner / entrepreneur. The person requesting the funding will have to pay that up front. And we like to be honest. So there's only that eliminates a lot of the underwriting, because we're basing everything off a contract. We're basing it mainly off the vision, business plan, pitch deck, projections. So we're basing it off of the future. So we're looking for a prosperous journey with this company, and we're looking for a forward-looking statement. So we're looking into the future with everybody that we work with. Yes, it'd be great to work, which we provide funding for companies with track records, and they can provide this, but we're, here we go, Mikkel. We're with the here and now, and also we're with the future. So that's where, the forward-looking type of investments or forward-looking type of business opportunities and amazing, very, very profitable business opportunities in the form of business deals, business models that need funding. That's what we look for. And then we also provide consulting at a charge for business owners and entrepreneurs. We bring the strategic planning, strategic marketing. We bring in any kind of help we can guide, just solutions. We bring in solutions, bring in wisdom and solutions. And then we do the same thing with the coaching. It's just about making people become better, helping them in the areas that they're already strong, and then getting them the proper experts to help them in the areas that they're weak or not as strong in. That's all. Trading. So again, Carlo Joseph, the company is Clear Vision, Clear Path, INC. And we look very forward to this next topic. And we thank you for this opportunity to speak to the world. I apologize for the cars revving. I guess they're ready to mogul too. But we look forward to it. All right.
Absolutely. Thank you for that amazing introduction, Carlo Joseph. Absolutely. So all of our listeners around the world, my name is Michael Coleman. And just give you all a background about myself. I worked with Tyler Perry and Tyler Perry's investors in 2004 when I first got into the entertainment industry. I became the number one sales and marketing for merchandise for all the stage play tours that we did. And I learned so much with working with Tyler Perry's investors. Everything about, dealing with investments, budgeting, sales, the whole nine. So I went on after that and I wrote the script entitled Sweet Revenge of a Bitter Woman that later became the movie Obsessed that earned over $73 million in Hollywood. So from there, I continued on and I started my own fashion line, michaeldecolimoney.com, which is a luxury fashion and beauty brand where we design everything from women handbags to luggage to sneakers and beauty products at michaeldecolimoney.com. Of course, as an entrepreneur, I have created numerous companies. I have over 11 companies that are active at this present time. MCSlive.net, which is an online ticket service where you can host your next event there on the platform. And we have an algorithm built in where it helps you sell 25% more tickets than any other platform. That's at mcslive.net. In conjunction with mcslive.net, we have also created mcsstreaming.com, which is TV, theatrical, and motion pictures for you to be able to subscribe to and watch. And last but not least, I am the president for Moguling Capital, which is a division of mogulingfinance.com, where you can start building and improving your credit score by obtaining installment loans that report to the bureaus every 30 days. That's right, installment loans that report to the bureaus every 30 days, helping to increase your credit score at mogulingfinance.com. Which brings me to what we are presenting today. mogulingfinance.com, credit building loan programs for personal and business credits at mogulingfinance.com. We present these credit building loan opportunities to you and your company for consideration. And I have Mr. Carlo Joseph speak about the benefits.
Oh, yeah. I'm off the mic. You hear me, right, Miguel?
Yes, live.
Oh, yes, everybody. The benefits. Oh, this is great. Moguling Finance, credit building loans, build and improve your credit score to bring more funding to you and your business. That's the first benefit. The second benefit, Moguling Finance, second benefit. Credit building loans increase your credit to obtain better terms and lower interest rates, saving you thousands of dollars for you and your business. Oh, this is good. Thousands of dollars. They're revving it up. Moguling Finance, credit building loans improve your payment history, which accounts for over 1/3 of your overall FICO score. I mean, these benefits are amazing. I'm going to chime in. 1/3. So that's excellent. The next one, the fourth one, Moguling Finance, credit building loans lower your utilization rate for revolving lines of credit, increasing your credit score and getting you more funding. So credit building loans lower your utilization rate for revolving lines of credit, increasing your credit score, getting you more funding. So hey, this is the benefits. Moguling Finance, here's another benefit. I want to say benefit 5. Credit building loans report longer credit history terms up to 120 months to increase your credit score, getting you more funding. That's 10 years. That's excellent. All of this is different strategic benefits. The next benefit, Moguling Finance. Credit building loans add a mix of credit for personal and business loans to help increase your credit score to bring in more funding. The next one, I'll say that again, just in case somebody missed it. Credit building loans add a mix of credit for personal and business loans to help increase your credit score to bring you more funding. The next benefit, Moguling Finance low monthly payments for personal loans / business credit building loans examples. So here's some examples of the products. Personal loan Personal loan options to choose from. A, starter personal loans. You pay $99 per month to receive $5,000 credit building personal loan that reports to the credit bureau 25 months of positive payment history. B, super personal loan. You pay $149 per month to receive $10,000 credit building personal loan that reports to the credit bureau's 36 months positive history. C, the next one, premium personal loans. You pay $199 per month. You receive $15,000 credit building loans that report to the credit bureau's 60 months positive payment history. D, ultra personal loans. You pay $249 per month to receive $20,000 credit building personal loans that report to the credit bureau's 120 months of positive payment history. That's 10 years, ladies and gentlemen. No, I apologize. Kings and queens. Everybody listening that are kings and queens around the world. Business loan options to choose from. Here, we're starting with the business loans. A, starter business loan. You pay $199 per month. You receive $5,000 credit building loans that reports to the credit bureau's 25 months positive payment history. B, super business loans. You pay $349 per month. You will receive $10,000 credit building business loans that report to the credit bureau's 36 months of positive payment history. C, premium business loans. You pay $399 per month. You receive $15,000 credit building business loan that reports to the credit bureau's 60 months positive payment history. D, ultra business loans. You pay $499 per month. You receive $20,000 credit building business loans that reports to the credit bureau's 120 months positive payment history. 10 years. Wow, it's amazing. All right, Mikhail, I'll let you get into the credit builder loan information.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for that. So the credit builder loan information you can apply now at mogulingfinance.com. That's MOGULINGFINANCE.com. Start building and increasing your FICO credit score with personal and business credit loans with low monthly payments. Only pay a one-time fee based on your monthly payment option. No credit check required, easy approval. No credit score required. No hard inquiry. No upfront security deposit. No tax return required. And you can cancel any time at no cost. All Moguling Finance credit building loans report to the credit bureaus, helping to build and improve your FICO credit score every 30 days. Apply now at mogulingfinance.com. Start building and improving your credit score with ease today. And I'll have Mr. Carlo Joseph leave our audience with an amazing and empowerment message today.
Yes, we thank you, Moguling Club members.
Yes, indeed.
While I was reading this came to me, we must be up for the times. Every time me, Mikhail, or Moguling Club comes on, we're planting a seed. We're going to speak what it is. This is true whether people know it or not. This is true whether they do it or not. This is for the people, we'll say at the top 1%. So these are opportunities that when people need them, they'll be here. It may be the first person to hear this, or the millionth person to hear this, or the 20th million person to hear this. But nothing you do, anything you do that works in your hand, or anything you do in service, anything you do as a product, it's not in vain. For all the business owners out here, you guys must stay faithful. That means you must believe that what you're doing, what you're servicing, what you're bringing to your clientele, your customers, your consumers, your target audience, whatever you're putting out here to society for the betterment as an even exchange first. So they're going to get something, in exchange you get something. So that's what makes it an even exchange. I'm saying that clearly. Now, what they do with this product or service, that's between them. But our job is to provide the product and service and to talk about it every day and to keep it before people every day. This is how visions come to pass. Agreement. And you keep it before you say it, you look at it. You get focused, whether you're tired, whether you had a good day, whether $1 million came in or 10 cents came in, or 500 grand came in, or we just made 50 mil. It doesn't matter. Or we made 3 grand a day or 5 grand a day. And next week we just signed a deal for 100 million. or movie we put out 2 years ago just brought us in 30 million first week or 90 million. You must stay consistently the same. You must stay diligent. You operate in a posture just like all successful teams. We got the finals coming up. We got a lot. You operate as if this is already taking place. So me and Mikkel are not waiting until 35 million people tune in and listen to this, or the whole continent of Asia and Africa and Antarctica and South America is listening to this in different languages. No, we're going to put solutions out, and we're going to be solution minded. We're going to be unified. We're going to teach people how to succeed and succeed big and fast with agreement. And do not let your friends be your downfall. Evil communication corrupts good manner. What I'm basically saying, anybody speaking opposite of these plans, this vision that any business owner has, we do not listen to it. You go for it, and you go for it fast, and you go for it with people that align with your vision, and you do not look back. And you're prosperous, you're successful, you're royal, you're the best at what you do, you're diligent. The money's coming, the money's here. Just keep the vision before people. Just keep it ready. The people, the visionaries out there, the entrepreneurs out there, the business owners out there, you're creating the legacy and the life. You're bringing in your customers. Call them in. You're bringing in your clients. You're bringing in your consumers. You don't wait till you're world renowned to start, acting efficient. You're efficient now. It says, call the things that be not as though they were. This is the people that speak things into existence, people. I'll make it plain English. But you believe it. Once you believe it, it's going to happen. It's already happened. So just like sports, all athletes that are listening or ex-athletes, you're practicing and preparing. They used to say, practice like a champion, play like a champion. The way you prepare is the way it's going to go when the opportunity presents itself. And this is all me and Mikkel and the Moguling Club do for Mogulers. The people that we're keeping them consistent. We're keeping them the same. We're keeping them with their temperature set for success. Hey, the opportunity, that's the only difference between failure and success. One group wasn't prepared when the opportunity came. The other group was. That's the difference between winning and losing. One group, they kept their mistakes down to a minimum, and then they seized the opportunity of the other team's mistakes. So all you guys and all you kings and all you queens and all these people that have beautiful futures, large clientele, you stay focused. That's all you have to do. Just stay focused. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. And hey, love never fails. Oh, Mikkel, you almost made me forget. I almost shouted. And charity never fails. We have to get you guys in the posture of receiving, so we have to get you guys giving, you kings and queens. We have to get you in a posture of serving and sharing your gifts, abilities, and talents with others. Me and Mikkel, we get paid, but we're doing this as a service. I'm gonna tell Mikkel this: when we get $300 million for completing these 100 episodes, we did it first and got paid second. So we executed the vision and the plan first. Mikkel, please say something. Am I correct?
Absolutely. Yep.
So don't look at us. We're not hypocrites. We live what we talk about. The vision. I'm somewhere I can't yell because it's people. But the vision is what brings in the provision, which is the money. So the business is the vehicle that, with the product and the service, if it's pizza, that's what the exchange. If it's a grocery store, people coming to buy groceries, food, juice, orange juice, eggs, bread, that kind. You have that product and service ready before they get there. You don't come in there, they want some bread. You don't have no bread. Mikkel knows you don't have no juice, eggs, whatever, fruit. They're going somewhere else that has it. It's like, oh, the truck didn't come in this week. This is what happens when entrepreneurs and business owners are not focused and consistent. The truck didn't come in, right, Mikhail? So when the customers and clients showed up to buy,
There was nothing on the shelves for them to purchase.
thank you. And that's exactly why we have to keep this before you guys. We need you guys to have the stuff on the shelf ready before the customers and the clients show up to purchase. Because they're going to show up. Well, I'm quoting the Fugees. Ready or not, here I come. You're going to find, hey, I'm not getting into the rest of it because I don't want to laugh. But you get the message. Am I correct, Mikhail? Ready or not? They're coming.
They coming, yes.
So, the POS system's down. That's why you get a POS system that works offline mode. You have to be ready. If 10,000 clients wanted to be added on right now, are you ready for that capacity? Okay, if 1 million clients came on board right now, Mikhail, I always say this, Mikhail, if Netflix shut down and all the clients came to MCF Live, is he ready?
We ready to go.
That's what this is about. You don't owe the line, the line down the street, right? The venue only holds what? 5,000, but 50,000 people showed up, and now we got to do 4 shows a day. You get what I mean? Or go get a bigger venue for the night show. Mikhail, help me. Am I correct? Come on.
Absolutely. You're definitely correct.
Chime in, Mikhail.
Yes, indeed. You're definitely correct about that.
So that's what I'm saying. I didn't mean to go this long, but I did. Last time I walked in the grocery store, they didn't have none of the juices out when I left. And people could. I'm not gonna make excuses. You guys got it. Preparation meets opportunity. Your opportunities are coming. Stay ready. Get prepared. Wait till somebody want to do a deal for you for $20 million. Then let's get the car. Come on, people. Stay ready. Stay prosperous. Stay Moguling. Stay prepared. Everyone under the sound of my voice worldwide. The best people, they're ready for the moments. Here's the beauty of this. This is what I love about you. Don't know when that moment gonna be. The day you're the most tired, your biggest clients and customers, your biggest opportunities coming. Stay ready. You don't have time for evil communication. You don't have time for negative people. You don't have time for the news or social media. You don't have time for anything opposite of what's written down on paper in this vision. With that being said, I was gonna say brought to you, but I'm not gonna laugh. Hey, and everybody stay joyous, have fun. It's gonna be an excellent. Your days are the best, man. Like Tina Turner's song, simply the best, better than all the rest. That's what everybody in the Moguling Club, everybody that listens to our voice is simply the best, better than all the rest. So we hear about number one. That's why this sounds different than the other. I'm not getting into that. We sound different because we're here for the top spot. Just how Usain Bolt and them, they dominated the sprints. The smallest country, one of the smallest countries in the world, was beating the biggest countries in the world in track and field. That's what we're here to do. We're not running from our competition. We're here to bottom out. Technology has leveled the playing field. Different technologies, technological advances, all have made it where when I say we, all of us kings and queens in the Moguling Club, everybody listening has an opportunity to reach anybody on the globe through any platform for your business, product, or service. So yes, get ready. I'm telling this to everybody. Me and Mikhail in entertainment, we put stuff out. We got platforms. We got content. If all of Africa wanted to, become a subscriber, or all of Asia, all of South America, all of Australia, and I'm not bragging. I'm going to say it straight. I was flipping through Netflix and I saw a company, Occupation. They wanted us to do their next 5 films. We're going to seize opportunities. And we're going to be right here with you, and we're going to come on and we're going to tell you guys about it. Some of the stuff I cannot tell you yet because we're proprietary. That means it's confidential. So I cannot say nothing until after it's released or after it's completed. So I do apologize for that. And then some of the clients that we do have success story, that's still confidential too. It's up to them if they want to release it. Because some people don't want people to know that they got 100 million, 10 million, 5 million, 70. You know what I mean? You guys understand where I'm coming from. Hey, the blessing of the Lord made you rich and adds no sorrow. And the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the just, and wealth of riches in your house. And do not despise your small beginning, because your latter end should greatly increase. All that basically means no matter where you start at or how much you owe, what you don't have, you keep going forward with us, you're going to end up at the top spot. The hand of the diligent make it rich. So I'll let Mikhail say what the Moguling definition and how he coined it and give a little history about that, so you'll understand why we're so redundant and consistent. Victory belongs to everyone that goes forward. That's it. Whatever's happened in the past, whatever you ain't have, whatever, keep going. Okay, I have to say this. The biggest companies today were not the biggest companies 10 years from now. Mikhail, chime in, please.
Correct.
The
Yes.
biggest companies today were
Mhm.
not the biggest companies 20 years from now. Am
That's
I
true.
correct, Mikhail? And there's some companies right here. Me and Mikhail's 11 companies, we will be the biggest companies in the future and in the present.
Absolutely. Yes.
And you guys too. We're giving you information. This is championship pedigree here.
Game plan. We're giving you
Yes. We're giving you the blueprint too from our builders out here and the real estate people out here. This is how you win. This is proven. I don't get into certain things. I know this works. But we're looking for the right-hearted people. You prepare before the baby comes. For whoever's pregnant out there, you understand what I'm talking about. We don't get the car seat after the baby's born. We don't get the crib in the nursery painted and set up after the baby's in the hospital. Am I correct, Mikhail? Preparation.
Correct. It's the key.
Yes. All right, well, let's win together, ladies and gentlemen. And we're taking the top spots. And we're not running.
Absolutely.
We're not running. Whatever industry you're in, you need to know who the top 5 are. And put your name right above all of them. Because that's exactly what's going to happen. Because I noticed a lot of people think, oh, well, it just, no. Because the steps that we're going to show you will take you up so fast. Because think about it, Mikhail. And Mikhail knows this, and every king and queen listening. And a lot of people that's been in business know this. If companies are able to get funding, right? Existing companies and startups, everything happens faster. Mikhail, help me. Yes?
Right. With the right
You go ahead.
funding and the right people, it happens faster.
That's it. We unify. One heart, one mind. I'm not going to sing that song. Let's get together and feel all right. One love. See, you guys make me go there. See, I knew Mikhail was going to laugh. I knew you was going to laugh about that. You guys get it. Let's do it. Let's just do it. But let's get ready. Let's get prepared. And that's all this is about, man. That's why we back vision first, written vision. And I don't see, the simple fact you wrote it down, you believe that. And what you wrote will attract everything to you. Mikhail does scripts. Mikhail does productions. He know this.
That's correct.
Creating is a beautiful thing, because you take what's invisible or on paper and it becomes visible. And I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for every entrepreneur, every visionary out there who dares to believe, dares to prepare, and dares to serve with their product and service as an even exchange to humanity, to society. You're called to a service. This is a service. Every successful company brings services and products that for the betterment of society and humanity, and that's what the byproduct is. That's what the byproduct is. That's the even exchange. So profitability, revenues, that's the byproduct of service. With that being said, hey, We're always winning. And everybody on the sound of my voice, royal living and success, prosperous journey. That means you're going somewhere, not prosperous sitting still. You know what I mean? But just keep going forward and keep going higher and stay in that agreement. Find the people that agree with the vision and stay
Ama-
prepared. All right. And thank
Amazing.
you.
I
And
love
stay
it.
thankful.
I love it, Carlo. Joseph, you were pouring it out. I'm talking about so much passion, and that's what it's all about right there. I just love all the passion that's exuded from your spirit. Thank you so much for that, Carlo. Joseph. So, ladies and gentlemen, all our listeners around the world, we are here to dominate, and we are here to help you dominate. Okay? We are on our way to $300 million after we complete these 100 episodes. Okay? It's about the vision, and it's about your vision. Okay? So we have a vision, and you have a vision. You must go forward and do that. Moguling. When you are moguling is one with a relentless work ethic to be successful with determination and consistency no matter what. So when you're moguling, you're relentless. Okay, there's nothing going to stop you. You see that vision and you're going forward. You're all in, all the way. And as always, be relentless, keep moguling. And until next time, remember, moguling is what we do. Enjoy.